This week, we are covering three markets: gold, Bitcoin, and EURUSD. I'm going to show you exactly what I am seeing on each one, what the structure looks like, key levels to watch, and both scenarios, bullish and bearish. So you know exactly what to react to, no guessing, no predictions, just reading what price is telling us. Let's get into it. So this is the weekly. This is what gold has done in the weekly. This is the weekly time frame. So we can see that the structure is bullish overall. So let's go into the daily. So this is the daily chart. You can see that um, in the daily chart, gold break a key levels. So like a break of structure happened here. So which means the bias is bullish. So it has been retracing, it has been selling down here, but at this key area here, growth did a break of structure, which is telling us that the bias is bullish overall. So the so this is our 4 hour chart. So this is our 4 hour chart. Yeah. So we could see that there was a break of structure here, but um this happened, before this move happened, smart money, they are the one that smart money, they are the one that moves the market. So before this boost happens, there was a liquidity sweep here. So this price swept below this liquidity, and then smart money entered, and then they drove price here, and then the boost gold um started buying. So that is smart money in control. Now the overall structure is that gold is back to being bullish because there was a break of structure here, and then price started consolidating above these key levels. So this week I am biased. My bias on gold is bullish. So last week bias was intact, was correct. So that was what gold did, and it bought here. So this week bias is bullish on gold. You can see that um, after this break of structure, price started consolidating, but in as much that this level area is not broken, um, gold is bullish overall. So in as much this level holds, this key level, in as much it holds, you can see that price has reacted um, to this key level. You can see it's a very key area. So in as much that this price remains above this level, I'm bullish on gold. However, if bears they broke this structure, then I'll be bearish on gold. Yeah, but to enter, I'm not just going to be entering blindly. I'm going to be looking at a liquidity zone, these zones here, to enter a buy trade. So I'm not just going to be entering randomly. Yeah, so that's it. So let's go into Bitcoin, BTC. So this is the price of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is bullish overall. So we could see that is the market. Okay. So last week I predicted that Bitcoin is going to break this resistance here, this highs here, and it did. Immediately it did. It pulled back to this zone, and then this key level held. So this area is this now turns to a support structure, and then we started seeing um, Bitcoin going higher, going higher, going higher. So near at this area there was a liquidity sweep here. So smart money entered here. They want to sweep liquidity of retail traders. You could see here. So that's why you don't just enter a buy trade because BTC is pulling back. Many people lose money here. There is a lot of stop losses here. A lot of people when they saw that gold BTC was buying, when they said that the price is bullish, they started putting their limit orders here, their limit orders here, their stop losses here. So and what the smart money did, they reversed the price of Bitcoin and then they started coming down to what, to take out weak buyers, retail traders and stop losses. So that was what we are seeing here. So this price movement here to this zone here is smart money in control. They are behind. They are the one control. So if smart money want to buy, they have to take liquidity stop. They have to hunt for stop. So they do stop hunting. So they need to grab enough liquidity before they can start continuing pushing price up. And that was what we saw here. We could see that smart money what they hunt for stop losses of retail traders here. Retail traders that are buying, they are stopped out. Sellers also here before they started this move also some others were in the market already, some sell limit orders they are also taken out, so we could see. So currently before they could buy also they make sure they stop they stop almost all retail traders. So that is why they came to this area here, take out this area. So some retail traders saying this is buying, this is now gold is selling, and then what happened is it reverses and started going back upwards. So that is smart money. Um, that is smart money movement. That is how they move price. They are the one in charge of this price movement. So we could see that at here, some retail traders are seeing this as a break of structure or a change of character, and then they sell. So sellers are being trapped here. Some sellers are trapped at this area, and then what exactly the price did? The price moved in the opposite direction and then started going up. So my bias for BTC this week is bullish. Overall bullish on BTC. However, if BTC met bears, because there must be some money might be entering a bearish a short position. So if BTC met bears, I'll be looking for the break of this level. The break um of this level here, these key zones here, um make BTC bearish, back to being bearish, and more confirmations at the break of these key levels. So I'll be looking to enter this buy setup at liquidity zones or discount zones for me to buy with this BTC price. So let's quickly go to EURUSD. Yeah. This is the price of Euro USD. So EURUSD correlates with DXY, the dollar index. So we could see that Euro USD has been choppy, like, but the overall bias of Euro USD is also bullish. In as much this support structure here is not broken, Euro USD is bullish overall. Except the break of this structure of this level here, then Euro USD turns bearish. Yeah, so that is Euro USD. And to enter a buy, for me to enter here, I look for a liquidity sweep before looking for a buy. So yeah, on Euro USD, I am bullish on Euro USD. I turn, I'm going to be opening considering a short position at the break of this level here. So let's look at the DXY. Let's look at how it correlates with this, with the Euro USD. You could see that the price action are the same thing. You can see that the price action are the same thing. So USD and DXY, they correlate a lot. It's just like trading the DXY movement. So that is it. If you look at the weekly time frame of Euro USD, we are going to see that Euro USD is bullish overall. But that said, there needs to be an extra caution because price is currently at weekly resistance, higher time frame resistance. You can see here that this area, these zones here, is a strong resistance. So you are not just going to be entering a buy, you are not just going to be buying randomly. You would see that areas is a key resistance. So buyers need to be beware. Don't just enter anyhow. So my best entry is that I look for a liquidity sweep before looking to buy. So that has been my that's my best entry model. I look for a liquidity sweep before looking to buy. You can see. So yeah. On Friday, immediately I saw this, and then I confirmed. I saw some kind of information. I took this buy setup here, and then took some little profit um, before the market closed. Okay, so summary this week: gold, um, bullish structure, looking for buys on pullbacks, bearish only if key level breaks. On Bitcoin, I'm bullish overall, watching support hold, bearish if breaks below key level. Euro USD, bullish structure but at resistance. I'm watching DXY closely. Two buy scenarios or one bearish scenario. The theme across all three this week is the same. Don't predict, just watch your levels and react when price confirms. That's what separates consistent traders from people who feel like the market is always against them. You don't need to stay at charts all week. Just know these levels and react when price gets there. If you found this useful, hit subscribe so you get this breakdown every week. I also post daily analysis and trade updates on my Telegram. Link is in the description. And if you want to work with me directly on your charts or explore account management, DM me on Telegram and we can talk. See you next week.